Welcome to our full guide on how to allow friends only to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are displayed. Step 3. Locate the post you want to restrict to only friends and tap on the 3 dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Edit Privacy to adjust the visibility settings of the post. Step 5. In the privacy settings, select Friends to limit the visibility of the post to only your friends on Facebook. Step 6. Once you have selected Friends, tap on Done to save the changes and restrict the post to your friends only. By following these steps, you can easily control the visibility of your Facebook post to ensure that it is viewable by your friends only after it's been posted. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to allow friends only to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Enhance your Facebook experience by customizing the privacy settings of your posts to share content exclusively with your friends. Enjoy connecting and engaging with your friends through personalized posts on Facebook.